big escape trip weekend. Wake up now. You know, we've been dreaming about this and talking about this for a long time. And you know, dreams become reality. As you can see, hard work, dedication, persistence, driven by the right vehicle, the right business, the right product, the right timing, the right people, and this is what can be achieved. This is just a small sample of many leaders, of many success stories in Wake Up Now. It's not just us. You're seeing, you know, living proof right now, but there's more to come. And I want you to come along, take a ride with me, be inspired by this. Don't hate, congratulate. This is just motivation. Wake up. Be motivated. Wake up.
Wake them up, guys.
Wake up. I think it works.
I'll do so many.
Yeah.
Yo, can we call it this?
I feel so right now.
We're about to go kick it with Kirby, CEO, Jason. What up? Coming right now to the event. This is how we go to the event. Shirtless. Are we professional or not? One life. One life. Learn life.
Devin out here, wake up now.
Get a little, they just wanna take you down. But I'm ready, so you can tell them bring it on. Think about your plans, we ain't leaving till it goes. Close to the top, I can barely see the ground. With the whole team here, everybody get around. Look like a parade when we coming through your town. One hand to the sky, 2 feet to the ground. Wait, can't stop till the sun's up. Party.
This is how we take Miami over.
You may or may not have a brother-in-law who's a doctor, but at the end of the day, people get sick from time to time. Wouldn't it be nice to take your phone out of your pocket or jump on the internet and get a prescription filled when you're halfway across the country or the world, or wherever it may be?